Welcome back to the final video in this 5-part series on working with wild burros. Over the last 4 videos, we've talked about stuck feet, fear, focus, groundwork, and how small steps add up to big breakthroughs. And today, we're wrapping it all up with Rosa. Rosa is the perfect example of what it looks like when a donkey is trying, really trying, but still getting overwhelmed. In this video, I'm going to show you how I read her, how I adjust my expectations, and how I help her find her feet again when her brain gets a little too busy. If you've been following the whole series, this final video will tie everything together and give you a clear picture of how all these concepts work in real time with a real donkey who is still learning. So let's get started with Rosa. Rosa's graduation video. Hi, you. You took a long time to warm up to people, didn't you? You thought that was kind of scary. So we're just going to brush you. I use Velcro. One of these days, you're going to be totally comfortable with Velcro. All right, so we're working on her graduation video. And we're just getting her used to brushing. Early when they're being gentled, I like to use a lot of pay. Yeah, good job. I like to use a lot of pay while they're getting used to life, domestic life. Oh, we're not in the camera. Your butt's not in the camera. So I'm just showing that she's okay with being brushed. And yes, I'm still using oats. I really want her to be totally comfortable with everything that we do. And oats help that be possible. It's oats and what's the other one? Hay pellets.
Timothy pellets.
Timothy hay pellets.
Mm-hmm.
She's got a whirl here on her neck. And you guys should Google that. Maybe I'll make a video on it sometimes, but it's supposed to have some meaning.
Magical, mystical powers.
On the neck is it's more rare.
Yeah.
And she also has one on her nose, so she has 2. Such a good girl. Such a good girl. Dan had a really good idea about when we're doing the demonstration of doing her feet.
Yeah.
Don't be shy.
Yes, what we're going to do is we're each going to pick up a foot, Mary Jo and I, opposite feet. And she's going to have to balance on 2 legs.
All right, so that's her brushing. I don't know, guys. What do you think? Is Dan's idea a good idea?
What do you think, Rosa? Is that a ridiculous idea or what? What do you think? Should we pick up a foot?
Oh, yeah, let's do that.
Well,
let's do that next.
There you go. Let me see your foot. We'll start with a front foot. How's that sound? Oh, look at this here. Foot. That's a good-looking foot. Oh, yeah.
Good girl.
That is a good-looking foot.
She is so good with this. Let's talk about what goes wrong with this little clip. Now, Dan is picking up her foot, and she is used to picking up her feet and setting her foot on our knee. But notice what Dan is doing here.
Girl.
Did you see that?
Whoops.
He had 2 hands on her foot.
Did you fall down?
And it was he had it bent, and that could be what caused her to get nervous. When you are teaching your donkeys to pick up their feet, make sure you get them used to both hands also. If your donkey's a little bit nervous, I'm going to always start then with the countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2,
Mom wasn't giving you enough.
Deep. I was giving her big handfuls, Dan.
You're being cheap.
That wasn't being cheap.
You're being cheap.
Okay, so she didn't react at all, guys, with the countdown. So now I'm going to see if she'll go on her toe.
Because I was giving her oats.
Foot. Deet. Now she's on her toe, and I'm just going to rub it. Deet, 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 deet. Deet, 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 deet. Deet, 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 deet. Did you guys see that? My glove fell, and she didn't even hardly react. My glove fell out of my pocket. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deet. Total scap with that. She didn't move, lean, or pick up her feet. She didn't flinch. I'm going to ask her to go on her, to pick up her foot. My goal is that she goes on her toe, but I don't have a lot of control over that. Foot. Now, I'm not squeezing. I'm just holding my hand there.
She's shifting.
She's shifting, and I could
She's
release
shifting.
that. Oh, there, she's going up. Do you see that? She just went up. Deet. I was a little delayed.
I was just a second ahead of you.
This here is just getting them comfortable with all the petting and touching. And from here, we're going to go to wiggle and jiggle. I just slid her foot. Deet. Her picking it up, that's just nervousness. And now you see, it's almost like a little kid when you're trying to get them dressed, hiding their foot. Now she's had, what, 2 days? Was it? No, she just had love yesterday.
Yeah, she hasn't had no academics for days because of the wind.
So sometimes we're doing, as Dan called them, academics, where we're actually working on specific tasks. But then there's other days when you want more.
She's ready.
There's other days where we're actually just coming down here and loving on them because
that's what I do.
Asking her to pick up her feet in high winds would be too big of a question. We want questions that she can say yes to. Okay. Did you see how she flinched right there? So she's a little bit nervous. So I just want to help her not be nervous. Foot. There. Deet. You see she picked it up a little bit. That's a little bit of nerves. Deet, 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 deet. Deet, 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 deet. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Deet. Oh, she's a little bit nervous. So when she goes to pick it up and take it away, I'm going to try to keep my hand there if I can. Remember, we're going
She
slow.
just shifted so she could lift it now.
No, she was nervous there. We'll see. You ready? Deet, 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 deet. Here we go. There. She's kind of stiff, so I'm going to give it back. Like I could have probably put it on my knee, but I think it would have ended with her moving her feet.
That's what happened when she fell over. So I went to put it on my knee, just right out of the blue. And we've never put it on our knee before.
Yeah, we have.
On our knee we have?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. But when it's been days, remember she was wild, guys. And even if it's a domestic, you're watching for any signs that tell us how she's feeling beforehand. And stiffness is one of those. Deet, 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 deet. So I'm picking it up. There, she's getting stiff. I'm going to give it back. All I'm doing is helping her know that I'm not going to hurt her. I'm helping to get her confidence. I'm always rubbing her butt before I come down here. Deet, 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 deet. You do such a good job. You're such a good girl. Deet, 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 deet. Good job. Okay. So that first time she moved her feet, kind of fell a little bit. That's just nervousness. You see she's still on her toe. That's calmness.
If you stand there, she's going to come over to you to do it some more.
Right? Are you ready for your front foot now?
She champed her front foot earlier.
Yeah, we'll do it again though.
Yeah. I'm ready, Ma.
Just leaning into me.
Leans into you.
Foot. I'm not gripping.
Oh, what a
I'm just
good looking foot.
She got stiff, so I just put it back down. Foot. Good girl. Deet, deet, deet. Touching to our leg is a step in building trust. All right, let's go to your other side.
The other donkey.
The other donkey. This is where, Dan, you're going to pick up her back foot and I pick up her front, right?
Something like that.
He looks confused, and it was his joke.
Oh, it went over my head. I was quiet on the frontal lobe.
All right. So the reason we're showing you this whole thing is she's wild, guys. And when you go, you bring her home. Now she's your new donkey, and she was doing great where she was gentled and trained at. But now maybe she goes backwards, or your farrier comes over and she's nervous. All of these steps and all these things that we're paying attention to are going to help. Are you telling me something?
She says, let's get to work.
Stop talking and start
Let's
picking up my
talk
feet.
more work. I want my oats.
All right. Foot. Deet, deet, deet. Now, my hand is just open. It's open as I help guide her back down. I'm not holding on to it. Remember, we're still building up her confidence. Foot. She's moving to get balanced. Deet, deet, deet. 2 hands. That's a graduation step. I'm just keeping my hand there to help guide her foot back down. Whenever we can do that, that's the goal. Now, Dan, if you want to step back a little bit, because her butt's not going to be in the camera for her back leg.
Get your butt up this way too, then.
You're going to follow me and not Dad. Come on, Rosalita.
There you go.
Oh, good girl. She needs one more step forward to keep her balanced.
Step.
There. Nice. Nice. Here. Good job. Sometimes people ask me, like, how long they're going to keep having the oats. Sometimes I swear it's almost like you come down to the barn and you need to do something and you don't have oats in your pocket. And you're like, well, let's see what happens. And then they're fine with it. And you're like, oh, we can start weaning those off now.
It's like training wheels.
There, did you see how quickly she picked it up? But she's on her toe. She's a little bit nervous, but not too. Deet, 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 deet. Deet, 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 deet. Deet, 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 deet. Good girl. Good girl. I'm just gonna have my hand there, but I'm not really gripping. I'm letting her hold up her foot. So now she just picked up all 4 feet. Like, she's rocking this.
You're doing such a good job there, kiddo.
She's so beautiful. Just one beautiful donkey. If Dan didn't find a buyer for her all so fast,
we'd have kept you.
We totally would have kept you.
Pine needs a friend to go with.
Right, she does. Pine needs a friend. Okay, so next would be to put her halter on. You want to do it, or you want me to?
I'll do it. I'll terrify her.
Terrify. Okay, let's get her to face the camera.
Camera's over here.
I was going to have her go in a circle, but however you get her over there is fine. I can re-aim it for you.
There we go, ding dong. You ready?
Did Dad just call you a ding dong?
You're a ding dong. They're all ding dongs. Doot, 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 doot.
The haltering she's been super good with. Did you see how she's kind of leaning away from him right now?
She's like, I don't know. I know what's going to happen.
Yeah, she's just.
You're going to put the rope thing on my face. Yeah.
So pause. When that stuff happens, just pause.
You ready? Yeah, you want to do that? Ready? Yeah. Where are you going?
Now, if you go out to halter your donkey and you're having trouble, going back to nose and neck can be very helpful. I think she's just goofing around. Guys, it's been high winds for a couple days. It's been horrible. Like, the fence was moved like 3 feet.
Yeah, it's been like thunderstorm grade winds. I mean, loading hay in the wagons would blow out the wagon fast. You'd fork it in.
So if you come down and your donkey was doing like super fast one day and then another day they're a little bit slower.
Ready?
Don't sweat it.
There's a good girl. Nose.
Now these are a colt size halter. They almost fit. I do have trouble finding halters that fit properly on the donkeys. I have heard of somebody who custom makes them around here, and I'm gonna have to reach out to her. Maybe I can start getting some that fit these donkeys like super well. You see how it is up at the top of that white band on her nose? That's where we want it. We don't want it way low.
And this halter's a little small, the further I could get it, really. Oh, let me fiddle with your nose, kiddo. Let me fiddle with your nose. Yeah, that's what all the more can go. That's all the further it can go. Ready?
If watching Rosa's journey has made you think, I want help like this with my donkey, that's exactly what Training Wild Burros memberships are for. Inside, you'll get step-by-step guidance, field guides, and even one-on-one support where you can send me videos and I'll walk you through what to do next. Every donkey is different, just like Rosa, Pine, Squirrel, and so many others that we have helped gentle and train. All of them have their own personalities and their own pace. If you want a little more confidence or someone in your corner to help you read your donkey's body language and make adjustments, I'd love to help. You can join us in the link in the description. With Rosa. Hi, Rosa. You just want attention. Everybody else is eating. They're even eating out there. And Rosa, I let her out of the pen she was in behind me where we did our training. And we've been standing here for like probably 5 or 10 minutes. She just wants attention. You just want attention, don't you? Yeah, because you're such a sweet girl. You're such a sweet girl. Yeah, we like Rosa. We sure do. Rose is just so sweet. Just here for some love and attention. I can't believe she hasn't gone to eat her dinner yet. You still want more attention, huh? You still want more attention. I'm shocked and in awe at how much she just wants to hang out with me right now. Everybody else is eating. She hee-hawed so loud when I came to let her out. Was that enough on your back? Was that more scary on your back? Huh? Do my hands smell cold? Do they? Are you gonna go eat yet? Is it time for you to eat your dinner? No? Is it not time for dinner? Everybody else is over there eating, Rosa. You see them? They're munching. They're gonna eat all the hay. Yeah, they're gonna eat all of the hay. Don't you want to go eat your hay? You don't. You want attention. It's cold out here. I should have been wearing my gloves. What do you think, Rosa? Huh? This is such a good thing. Like, even though she's a little bit nervous and some of what I asked for her was kind of a lot, her just wanting to hang out with me is so huge. I have to honor this wish of hers because she's so cute. Are you so cute, Rosa? And those ears, they just go on and on. Your ears go on and on. Are you going to go eat now? Yes, they're all eating their dinner. Are you going to go eat too? Where are you going? Where are you going to go? You should go eat. Yeah, you should go eat. Oh, there she goes. She's actually going to go eat, guys. Like, I've been recording for 3 minutes, and she was probably hanging out with me for 8 minutes before I even turned on the camera. All right, guys, you guys have an awesome day. What a fun session with the dogs. We'll see you next time.